SSH and run commands on your remote server from within your Bubble workflows. So here's an example, and I've temporarily concealed my username and password in the host. But if I want to run a command on the host, like minus LRT log. So what has happened is this is making it authenticated by the SSH to the server, and it's listed the contents. It's just run this command. It's listed the contents. So this is good for testing, but in real life, you would use this method where the credentials for the plugin are stored in the plugin. So what that looks like in the workflows is in the plugin, you'll add your username in here. You either put in a password or you put in a private key, and there's some advice on the service page on how to format your private key. You need a host or IP. And permitted commands is if you want to secure this a little bit more, in the plugin here you can set a comma-separated list of commands. So if the only command you ever want Bubble to ever be able to run is, date, so you want to run date, you put date in here, and then the plugin will check that the command exactly matches something in this list of commands in here. So talking about the format of there's some troubleshooting here. If you're having problems with your PEM, your private key, most likely explanation is that in order for Bubble to ingest the private key, you have to convert the line breaks into \n like I've done here, and you can do that in a text editor. And that's how you can, so within your workflows, if you needed to orchestrate some third-party server, you'd put this on a backend workflow, and then within your Bubble workflows you could invoke SSH commands on another server. I find it incredibly helpful.